Gradient shape PowerPoint. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to improve the visual design of their PowerPoint slides. Gradient shapes make presentations look more modern and professional. Students, teachers, and office workers often need clear steps to create these effects easily. Especially if they are beginners, start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint on your device. When the program launches, click on Blank Presentation to begin a new file. Next, click Create in the bottom left corner of the window to open your slide workspace. After that, right-click the line of the rectangle shape at the top of the slide to adjust its outline. Then right-click the line of the rectangle shape at the bottom of the slide to make similar adjustments. Now move to the top menu and click Insert. From the Insert tab, click Shapes to see the available options. Choose any shape that you need for your design. Drag your cursor across the slide to set the required size and position of the shape. With the shape selected, click Shape Format on the toolbar. Next, click the small down arrow beside Shape Fill to open the color menu. Move your cursor to Gradient and click any gradient style that fits your design. After applying a preset gradient, click the down arrow beside Shape Fill again. Hover over Gradient and select More Gradients to open the detailed formatting panel. In the panel, locate the Gradient Stop section and drag to adjust the gradient stops. Click the left color stop icon and go to the color bucket. Choose any color you need for the first side of the gradient. Then click the right color stop icon and open the color bucket again. Select any color you need for the second side of the gradient. Finally, manage the position of the color stops by dragging them along the slider until the blend looks smooth and perfectly balanced. Take a moment to review the overall appearance of your shape on the slide. If necessary, make small adjustments to the gradient stops or colors until you are satisfied with the final look. This careful process helps you create a smooth and professional gradient effect that enhances your presentation design